Lots to go through with you in the business report today. Notwithstanding the significant headwinds posed by Hurricane Melissa, Sagicor Group Jamaica continued to deliver solid financial performance and maintain sound liquidity. The group's strong reserves, robust risk and governance frameworks, as well as diverse revenue base, supported long-term value creation in a challenging environment, according to President and CEO Christopher Zaka.
Sagicor Group Jamaica is pleased to announce its financial results for the year ended 2025, recording net profit attributable to stockholders of $16.22 billion. This exceptional performance represents a 75% increase over the $9.24 billion earned in the previous year.
The results were driven by strong growth across the group's primary business lines, alongside a notable recovery in the asset portfolio. Zaka added that the balance between people and performance will continue to define the group's approach as it enters the new financial year.
Core earnings, which provide a clear measure of the underlying performance of Sagicor Group Jamaica, by excluding market-related impacts on insurance assets and liabilities, as well as other non-recurring items, also showed material improvement year over year. This underscores the group's ongoing focus on operational excellence and sustainable value creation. At the close of 2025, Sagicor Group Jamaica almost doubled its earnings per share, attributable in 2024. Our ROE, or return on equity, also saw a substantial increase, rising to 15% compared to 9% in the prior year, reflecting the group's commitment to driving shareholder value and delivering strong financial returns.
Long-term insurance delivered a net profit of $9.32 billion, compared to 2024's $6.07 billion.
The segment continues to experience meaningful insurance revenue growth, benefiting from the release of contractual service margin CSM of $6.34 billion versus 2024 $5.9 billion, and the generation of new business CSM of $7.94 billion versus $6.42 billion in 2024.
Short-term insurance reported improved revenue of $37.87 billion relative to 2024's $34.77 billion,
recording 136% increase in net profit to $3.38 billion versus $1.43 billion last year.
Group health and life products, meanwhile, generated new business sales of $1.1 billion,
primarily from the corporate client portfolio, underscoring the segment's continued growth. The increase in general insurance claims arising from Hurricane Melissa was largely offset by reinsurance recoveries, consistent with disciplined underwriting and sound risk management.
The commercial banking segment produced net profits of $4.01 billion, an improvement over 2024's $3.81 billion.
It recorded a 10% increase in revenue, supported by higher net interest income and larger transaction volumes on its card payments portfolios.
The loan portfolios continue to grow, with $36.97 billion in new loans written, contributing to a $2.01 billion increase in interest income.
Deposits and other funding liabilities grew by $22.06 billion versus 2024 $14.35 billion.
The investment banking segment recorded net profit of $1.67 billion, compared to the prior year's $0.89 billion.
Net investment income of $4.55 billion increased by 50% over last year, primarily due to net trading income of $1.26 billion.
The group president and CEO notes that Sagicor Group Jamaica's responsibility extended beyond financial metrics.
Resilience is built into how the group operates. We absorbed significant external shocks, supported our clients and communities in times of real hardship, and still delivered one of the strongest performances in our history. This is a result of consistent, sound leadership and prudent risk management. We move forward with a focus on continued sustainable growth to ensure that Sagicor remains a pillar of stability for the country we serve.
And that was your business report. I'm Joel Crosskill.